Well, if you saw my first video, you already know this. I am building a racer to compete in the Corporate Derby Challenge at the International Soapbox Derby in Akron, Ohio on August 20th and 21st. We're doing this for a great cause, but if you saw my first video, you know that I'm a little in over my head on the engineering side of this build. So I went looking for help, and I found it here near where I live at Hawthorne High School in Southern California. This is the School of Manufacturing and Engineering, where students are learning aerospace, robotics, and advanced manufacturing. And this is Mr. Pacheco, who runs the program. I can't believe this is a high school. This place is amazing. They build robots, they design parts, they use 3D printing. In other words, all the stuff I couldn't do. Mr. Pacheco agreed to let me borrow some actual talent. Meet Gabriel, Matthew, and Angel. These three students are ready to rock and are full of ideas. This is the car, or what will eventually become the car. Right now, it's a box of parts and a lot of unanswered questions. So we started with the most important question. What's this thing gonna look like? Hawthorne is home to the Beach Boys, so maybe a surf theme? It's also home to SpaceX, Northrop Grumman, and Boeing, so we could go full aerospace and lean into speed. Next step is the design and build. The team is ready. Okay, I'm clearly a total goofball, but we've already been having a ton of fun with this, and we've got an awesome car on the way. And again, this is where you come in. We need your sponsorship. We need your company logo on my car. We're raising money for the Hourglass Foundation, a nonprofit organization that empowers students through scholarship gifts in automotive technology and other skilled trades. Check out the video description for details on how to sponsor. Stay tuned for the next video, and on to Akron.